Me nah mad over no girl.
That's what we calling it. Yeah. When Fire Lion and Lioness present Fire Lion's birthday bash. Saturday 27th April is the day.
And we not lay.
Just touched down in the airport.
You done know. Black Knight Sound, Loyal Squad, Vibes Max, NGS Sound, DJ Wire, DJ Stylo, MC Daddy Fridge, Jamaica's Bad Girl Dancer, Dima Attitude, USA artist Sean John BMG, and the UK's own Lady Dangers are all gonna be on duty. Sharpshooter the Picture Man, and London's finest video gonna be shooted. Admission's £20 and tickets £30 at the door. Birthday and VIP table packages are available. Silver packages £250 and consists of 2 bottles, 5 chasers, and 5 tickets. Golden packages £500, 5 bottles, 9 chasers, and 9 tickets. And the platinum package £1,300, 6 bottles, 10 chasers, and 10 tickets. After the club, it's the house. Mansion settings. For more info, call Fire Lion on 0749 607 2836. Wristbands from the club take you to the house.
We not mad over no girl.
Fire Lion's birthday bash, Saturday, April 27th.
Me nah mad over no girl.
And people, I want you guys to know one of the biggest and the baddest thing I go keep in the UK right about now. So here we go on. Grab your ticket for now and make sure you roll out come out the one here. And watch it now. They are going to be giving away 2 free tickets to Spain. So you know say, yes, you have to reach. If you're seeing, you don't know say the struggle is real, you don't know say the party here. A gorilla, rapper crapper represent. Fire Lion, Lioness, the one you know normal. So you know say thing gone.
Rapper crapper, Mr. Leonard White, real Godfather, so please subscribe. As me watch a video, me have to do it every time. Share with my friends, comment, like. Rapper crapper, the struggle is alive.